Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is quite a gloomy Saturday here in Warsaw, but my plans are not gloomy at all. They are quite festive actually. I am planning to go visit a festive Christmas Dior pop-up boutique here in Warsaw today. I found out about this boutique from their email that they sent me inviting me to come and visit. I don't know if there is going to be like clothes, bags and shoes from Dior there, or it is going to be just Dior Beauty. I'm not sure, they didn't mention it in the email, but normally here in Warsaw we don't have a Dior boutique with bags and shoes. We have only a Dior Beauty boutique. The Dior Beauty boutique, by the way, here in Warsaw is really nice. I know for sure that if I need to buy something from Dior, like makeup, I would not go to Sephora or to some other store like Sephora to buy this Dior stuff. I would go to especially Dior Beauty boutique to buy this because first the customer experience is so much better. Like the whole luxuriousness of the experience is amazing. Also the availability of the products there is so much bigger. Like you have everything from their beauty range, you have all of the shades of all of the products, and also they always give you samples, and they give you really good samples of lipsticks, samples of niche perfume, really nice products, and you get on a client's list, they send you special offers. And also what I recently got from them is a birthday present. I did not buy a crazy amount of stuff in Dior Beauty boutique, but they are still offering me this birthday present, which was super nice of them. I received an email with their congratulations, and it said that I should come to pick up my present. And here I have my birthday present bag from Dior, full of stuff. Actually, it is full of different samples of Dior and mini products. One of the cutest mini products I have there is like Miss Dior perfume here. The bottle is really cute. I'm going to use this one today. I think it's going to be my fragrance of the day. That is a very feminine and elegant perfume. For me it's more spring summer perfume than winter, but I feel like it will be nice for today, this perfume. Also I have like lots of skincare samples from Dior, which I have not tried yet, but I am planning to. So basically that is my recommendation for you to come shop in Dior beauty stores if you have those close to you, and not to go to big ranges where they will not value your purchases. Another cute thing that I really like is this mini lip gloss. This is Dior Addict Lip Maximizer Lip Gloss. It is very famous. I think it was on the market for like 15 years. It's just so cute, and this is the most popular color, light pink. On the lips it looks almost invisible, and if you have never tried this lip gloss, I really recommend it to you. It has a really nice minty scent. It feels minty on your lips, and the finish is very glossy, and basically it makes your lips look more beautiful. So that was my Dior Beauty bag. I am already dressed. This cardigan that I'm wearing today is from Claudie Pierlot from 5-6 years ago, I think, but I love it so much. I have never found anything better in Claudie Pierlot since then. Underneath the cardigan I have a sweater from Maje, which I think you've already seen if you watched my channel. And the lipstick that I chose to wear today is from the Dior sample set of lipsticks that I got for my birthday, and this is Dior Rouge range of lipsticks. I had 4 of them here, and I decided to use the shade which is called 80 Red Smile in Satin. This is the color that I used. Here it is, it's this one. It is a very festive shade of red. I really like the shade, but the finish is not for me. I think I usually like lipsticks which are completely matte or close to matte, and this one is very shiny and glossy. If you don't see it on camera, in real life it's like very glossy, and I feel like it's so easy to smudge this lipstick and to have it all over my face. And I think that is everything that I wanted to tell you. So I am going to head in the car and go to Dior. I'm going to take my camera with me for you to experience the festive atmosphere with Dior as well. Let's go. Hello again, I will be doing a little voiceover for you and commenting on some of the things that I saw in this Dior pop-up Christmas boutique. Unfortunately, these were only beauty pieces. They didn't have any accessories, bags, shoes, nothing like that. But they had their whole Christian Dior Privé collection. I think that is the right way to call it. The one with their niche perfumes, and it was a great experience to finally try all of these famous fragrances that they do and finally see which ones I like, which ones I am not a fan of. My favorite is still Eden Rock, the one that I own. The thing that I definitely liked about this pop-up boutique is their holiday gifts, limited edition gifts. Especially these Dior Christmas candles were amazing. Also, they had some Dior Christmas tree ornaments which were cool. They had a big advent calendar. I think it was about $500, and some other holiday gifts as well. This silk twilly by Dior was the only accessory that I saw in store, and if I wasn't such a fan of Hermes silk twillies, I would definitely buy this one from Dior because I think this print is really sophisticated and elegant. I noticed that in this pop-up store, Dior mainly focused on the premium products that they do in beauty and fragrances. For example, their premium skincare range called Prestige by Dior. Also, they had their Prestige foundation by Dior. They also had some lipsticks, their limited edition Christian Dior Rouge lipsticks, and they also had Forever foundation, and that is basically it regarding makeup that I've seen in the store. Also, I noticed some really nice beauty and fragrance sets that would be perfect for gifts, and also some of the most famous fragrances by Dior like Miss Dior, J'adore, Dior Homme Sauvage and others. So I would say that Dior pop-up store here in Warsaw, this holiday one, is a perfect place if you want to buy a Dior beauty or fragrance gift for somebody for Christmas, because you will get the most festive packaging ever. You will also get Dior samples, and you will experience this amazing holiday cheer together with Dior. Hello again, we just came back from the Dior boutique and we're in the car driving to get our groceries. The Dior boutique happened to be only the Dior Beauty boutique. They didn't have any clothes or like bags or shoes. I think they have a few scarves, like small twillies, but generally it was mostly Dior perfume and also a little bit of Dior makeup and skincare. The makeup and the skincare that they had there were like those more expensive things that they have in Dior Beauty, like Prestige skincare range and some those more expensive foundations that they have in Dior out there. The boutique itself is quite small. I filmed everything they had inside for you. You will see there is not a lot of things there, but the atmosphere inside is very beautiful. It definitely is Christmassy, and they paid lots of attention to details. They made the place very beautiful. So in my opinion, it's a shame that they put so much attention to this place, but they didn't fill it with lots of stuff. Anyway, they had some very Christmassy products out there, very beautiful ones, and I found myself a little present for for the upcoming festive holidays, and I will show you it in a separate video. I will do a Dior unboxing in my next video, I think. So that was it. I hope you liked feeling the festive atmosphere of Dior with me today. I will see you very soon for Dior unboxing.